Level up your job documentation skills. Introducing MagicPlan Academy, a brand new learning platform designed to support customers who want to master the best tools for the job. The Academy empowers you to learn at your own pace and on your own schedule. Whether you're just getting started or if you're looking to refine your skills, this intuitive and convenient space will guide you from a beginner to a highly skilled MagicPlan user. Decide when, where, and what to learn at the most convenient time for you. Explore our courses, onboard your team, and discover how MagicPlan can transform your workflow. Follow structured learning paths, focus on the topics that matter most, and participate in live webinars for expert advice. Sign up now at magicplan.learnupon.com. Learn how to get more done and get paid faster.